professor gave them a group work. We all know that in every group, there is a leader. They're so slow. You need to be Guys, enough of playing, please. Such a killjoy. Why just join us? Or if you don't like, just keep talking. If you said so. Okay, sorry po. We're gonna listen to you now. We're gonna cooperate with you too. Let's start the task with a group hug. See, as a leader, you have to voice out what is inside you. Being a leader is not easy, but with cooperation of others, task will be easy. What leader is in love? What daw? It's leader lover. Boy. Yay! What is autocratic leadership? It is distinguished by the centralization of power and decision-making in the leader who takes full authority and assumes full responsibility. So, what was our plan for our task? Whoa. I suggest that we should have different designs for our product. Yeah, but we should also have some revision in our proposal. And I think Lady was right. We should also have different designs. Suggestions are accepted. But I think our sales are good. And design are still in demand. What we should think is that how could our product increase sales? We are suggesting design. Like, what if we should have different shapes? Like, no! I think we should concentrate on marketing rather than in production. Okay, as you say so. See? Autocratic leader assumes full power and decision making. The only downside of this kind of leadership is that innovation and creativity of subordinates become idle. What leader is they feeling? What daw? Eddie, it's leader spread. Yay! What is participative leadership? It is the decentralization of authority. Decisions arise from a consultation with follower and participation by them. Can I get your attention, please? We all know that our company will be expanding. I just have you to inform that we are glad to hear some of your suggestions regarding this matter. Can I suggest that our expansion will have generate new employment? Suggestion taken. I suggest that product should be expanded to different design too. That's a good idea. Suggestion taken. May I suggest that our expansion should be reviewed? I think expansion is not inspiring. Okay, we'll take that suggestion. Okay. See, participative leaders should also be considered and appreciate others' idea, but not at all times learn to choose the best and appropriate. Whose artist has a nickname Diet? What daw? Editing Leader Ocampo.